So one of my favorite things to add to my laundry is this EnviroKlenz liquid laundry enhancer. Not only is it all natural, but it only takes about a quarter cup to a half cup, depending on how big of laundry you have. The nice thing is, this is not scented. This actually eliminates the odor. It doesn't mask it at all. So it's really nice and effective. So there's no chemical odor. It's great for like new clothes and gives you like that new clothes kind of smell to it. Gets rid of that musty mildew kind of smell, gets rid of smoke odor, pet odor, and also sweat and body odor, and also fragrances and also perfume too as well. And it comes in a really nice all natural box right here. It comes with this little tap down here. The nice thing is on the inside of it, this also comes with a quarter cup measuring cup on the inside of the box too as well. You just need to go ahead and open up the top up here like this right here, and it's right here on the inside, so you can go ahead and measure out how much liquid that you want from your tap down here. All you gotta do is just put it directly into your washing machine with it. So let's go ahead and do that. I kind of eyeballed mine a little bit here, so you just go ahead and pull up this tab right here like this, kind of let it flow in there. It's about a quarter of a cup right there. Then you go ahead and add it in. Now every laundry washing machine might be a little bit different. You might have like little areas that you might add additives, but for mine I added directly to the bottom of it according to the manufacturer. And then you go ahead and add in your own detergent, whatever you want to do with it, but here it helps eliminate all of those odors right there in your laundry, and it's all natural. So I hope you enjoy it as well.